Oh, ow, ow, ow. No. What the heck just happened? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on my channel. So today, as you guys can tell, we are going to be trying a new styling tool that I found on walmart.com. It is an extremely long name. Okay, so it's a premium unisex hair styling automatic turbo twist electric hair braiding tool. Cost $33.95. Yes, it's a little bit pricey, but hopefully it's something that actually works for us natural. This is what the box looked like. I don't know why it came like this. Like, this is like literally destroyed. I don't know what. And as you guys can tell on the box, there's a lot of light-skinned people on here, and you guys can tell that texture on there is definitely not the texture on my head. So with that being said, we're going to test it out today and see if it actually works for our hair types. All right, once I get the box open, it comes with instructions, of course, and then most importantly, the styling tool. Okay, from the looks of it, it looks kind of simple, but yet so complicated. I don't know. Let me just read the instructions and see what it says to do. Okay, so you need AA batteries, 2 of them. I think they are already included in this. And then, hold on. Why the hell would they lock this? Oh my gosh. The AA batteries that they gave me definitely don't work. So I'm gonna go get some batteries and then I'll be right back. So 10 minutes and a chicken wing later, hopefully there's nothing in my teeth. I finally found a tool that was able to go ahead and open this thing with this little screwdriver, and lo and behold, they didn't even include any batteries in this. Like, I don't know what type of bootleg system this is, but no batteries was in here. There you go, that works. I'm not gonna even bother to put back in this little screwdriver and all that stuff. I ain't got time for all that. A lot in the back here to read for instructions, which I am not reading. I'm just gonna skip the pictures. I'm more of a visual person, so we just gonna skip all our reading stuff and use it. Okay, so my hair is not washed. It's in an old twist out, as you guys can see, hence the reason it's in a high puff. Okay, so the concept of this video is to see if the tool actually works to twist my hair, because I'm not gonna sit here all day planning to twist my hair and this thing doesn't work. So I'm gonna test it out with big sections, with small sections, and on wet hair to see if it works for, you know, this texture here. So as the instructions say, according to these pictures, I'm gonna assume you have to detangle the hair. So once your hair is detangled, you want to do it in 2 sections, off in 2 like this. Now this is a big piece that I'm going to be trying out to the front of my hair just to see what chaos is going to happen. According to these pictures, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so there's like a knob underneath here. You're going to push that up and you're going to lay, I guess, one set of hair right here. Can you guys see that under there? Yeah, I guess so. And then you're going to use the other section and you're going to put the second piece of hair, I guess leaving some ends out, I don't know, like this. So far this is what we look like. All right, so hold on. All right, so now you want to push up in order to twirl the hair separately. Oh, wait now.
Oh my God!
Okay, so what the heck am I doing? Alright, so when twisting your hair, you don't want to twist it too much. Once this end start curling up like this, no, you're just gonna stop, because this is like literally pulling my hair. So now that you have pushed up in order to get twisted like this, you're gonna pull down in order to twist it around each other. No. What the heck? It really twisted. All right, so I'm gonna unleash this. And then I guess you braid, you twist the rest. Ah. Oh my gosh, look. What? All right, let's do a small one. Let's do a small section and see, because I have a problem twisting my hair and having it really neat. So if this could actually do that, we'd be on to something. Now with that first try, I know you have to make sure and get your ends kind of organized with this tool because it tends to knot up to the end. So you just want to make sure it's properly detangled like they said. Separate your hair and then use the tool from there. So this is a slightly smaller section. Actually, let's go even smaller and see how it looks. Because if you want to do a mini twist, y'all, I think this might be the tool for that. I can never get my hair neat. All right, so we're gonna put, I guess it's, I don't know which way it's supposed to be facing, but once you can see what you're doing, girl, I think you're fine. You want to make sure it goes at least as close to the end as possible. Do the same thing on the other end. So you're gonna push up. Is this even going all the way up? Oh, okay. All right, hold down. What I don't understand though, even though this is like twisting, for some reason, this section here, oh, it feels like it's pulling, but yet still it has so much, look at all that room to go. I don't know why it's doing that, but okay. I think we might be onto something, y'all. Look how neat this twist is. I'm really surprised how neat this twist is. I mean, of course, you're probably gonna put some balm products in your hair. Make sure you slick down those roots to make sure it's neat at all times. But this is just a test to see how it works. But so you can get the big chunky twist or you can get the tiny twist. Okay, so for the final test, I'm gonna add in some water to the hair. All right, because I don't do my twist when it's dry. It's when I'm doing my twist, it's fully moisturized, fully wet, and you know, ready to style. So I'm going to be adding some water to my hair to see how it does when the hair is wet. And get this baby rolling, rolling, and bam. Okay, this is really hard when your hands are wet. Okay, so push up to twist. Why isn't it going? Okay, it's a bad idea. It's not so much of a good idea doing this with your hands wet, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right, you know what? Make sure this front section, these knobs are facing you. It looks directly at you when putting your hair in, because trying to do it facing the opposite way is not a good look, honey. It's not a good look. Alright, I think that should be fine. I don't know. Let's go. Alright, so now we're going down to twist the hair around. Alright. It did pretty good, y'all. Look. Okay, the only problem we're gonna have is these roots. Like, these roots are still bulgy and not cute. Not section 2. And let's see if these roots, what the heck, why is this going down? Let's see if these roots at least turn out a little bit neater, right? Let's go again. See, roots good? Oh shoot. Oh yeah. So, all right, so now we're twisting it around. So a little bit better. just okay. Yeah, this is actually much better than it was before, for sure. I am really shocked and I'm really surprised that it did that so well and so smoothly. I was expecting knots and tangles and all that extra stuff, but this product actually twists the hair, which is pretty sick. But I'm curious to see how the hair comes out once it's twisted. Does it look like finger coils? Does it look like actual twist with definition? But you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to part 2 to that video when I actually style my hair using this tool. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget, I'm on the road to 100k this year. I'm only at 2,000. It's okay, we will get there. Okay, so if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in my other video. Also stay tuned, put on your post notifications, so as soon as I drop that video actually styling my hair with the, you guys are going to be the first to see it and see if it actually works before purchasing. Do not go and purchase this unless you guys see in the video with me styling my hair with this product. And if it works, get it. If it doesn't, just leave it. Just don't waste your time.